Hey, I'm Sophie and welcome to the 24MX Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your bars. So first thing you need to do is remove all these bolts which takes your clutch off. You've got bolts on here which takes your brake off, and then also you've got 4 bolts here which will take the bars off. Once you've got all your bolts unscrewed and all the bits taken off, it's time to put on our new Renthal bars. So that was a tutorial on how to change your bars. Make sure you stay tuned to the 24MX Garage for more videos.